This is a 2005 Mazda 3. It features a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine and a manual transmission. With an EPA estimated rating of 32 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle is clearly a fuel-efficient choice. Its top features include a power moonroof, heated seats, leather seats, cruise control, stereo controls on the steering wheel, a Bose stereo system, satellite radio, halogen headlights, rear seat child-proof door locks, and it's easy to see why this vehicle is an excellent choice. This Mazda has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Mazda of Clear Lake is located at 20101 Gulf Freeway in Webster. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.